Well, ladies and gents, welcome back, guys. No face to this video, however, you don't need it. You're gonna get some value. Now, what we're gonna do here is go through a live trading session. We've got 2 minutes before stock market open, but before I get in, let me explain to you what I'm trading. So, here's what we're gonna be trading. We're gonna watch Lucid Group, okay, and ORXT. So, this trading style is based on overbought, oversold methodology. So you can see here this stock has continuously uptrend. Now the healthiest thing for a stock to do is after an uptrend it should pull back. Now before market open this stock is 11% up. Now what I want to do is I feel like this is overbought and overextended, especially given the micro economics or the micro environment in the stock market today. It's not looking good, so there's fear in the market. Similarly with this stock, I feel like it's overbought. Now guys, here we go. With that being said, let's get right into it. I'm gonna load up ORXT. Actually, we're gonna load up Lucid Group. This is not the stock. Lucid Group. And this is going to be a quick scalp because I don't have time today. We're just going to short this stock real quick. As soon as market open, it's going to reject. Here it is. Market just opened. Did it just open? Let me see. Yeah, there we go. Quick short position on this stock. Quick scalp. Right? You can see here. Quick scalp on this trade. So quick scalp, guys. 1,000 shares. We're $200 up, right? I don't have time, so we're gonna have to take this profit. Now we're already broke below 49, so you know we're here. Okay, let's see what's going on. It's moving fast. Now you should really take your profit, because usually what ends up happening is a correction, reversal upwards. Now this is second red. Let's see that second red finish up below that first red candle over here. And here we go, $650, $800 profit, and I'm out. Now if we go to this chat room and have a look, I actually mentioned this will be overbought pre-market, quicken out today, short position, and yeah, let me type it here, green short Lucid stock. There. So that's it, green short Lucid stock. Literally 1 minute, guys. Now not every day is gonna be the same, but you can see here my analysis was Lucid is up 10% because of one motor trend award of the year. What a bunch of jokers. Okay, so yeah, exactly what we said would happen ended up happening. Now here, usually you will have a stock like on market open, it drops, then it recovers this way, assuming you have enough buying pressure. But this stock is somewhat overextended, so for me, I wouldn't trade this stock. So with that trade being over, it only took us a minute. Let's jump right into the analysis. Well guys, luckily here we have the pre-market, and you can see pre-market was 11%. Now realistically speaking, I know from experience a stock like this shoots up 11% on basically fluff in the air. It's bound to come back down, especially after being extended. Now this trading style is called overbought, oversold strategy. Usually you'd have to spend screen hours in order to be able to trade this overbought, oversold trading style, but now we will have somewhat of a recovery in this stock, because all people will be trading this dip in that stock, but I won't do that because there's nothing really going on. On days where there's nothing going on, you have to just go in and get out quickly. Alright guys, that's it. Now there's another one coming up on the radar. RMO. Let's have a look at our RMO. RMO is pumping. Wow, looks like I'm not really gonna go anywhere today. I just entered a buy position on this stock, guys. Now you would say, well, Zed, why did you buy this stock? Well, first of all, guys, I just entered a trade on Lucid. I took my profit on Lucid. Now I came here to see it. Look at this scanner, and this stock here was showing promising momentum, right? I didn't see it on my scanner earlier, but now I do. So that means things have picked up. So I'm now 4,000 shares in, and here we are. We have a pullback. So now I want to add another 4,000 share on this next candle if it turns out to be green. And if it's not, then I'll wait for it to turn green and break above this level over here, which makes it easier for me because it says there's a lot of buying pressure. But we're 4,000 shares in. Now this is only a $5 stock, so you can consider it to be a penny stock. But looks like there is a lot of tug of war happening here with bulls and bears. But here it is, trying to engulf one more time. Okay, there we go. Come on, all I need you to do is just jump. There you go, turn green so I can add more. I'm not asking you to do anything. Annoying me. Annoying me, man. Come on, Cletus, let's go. Let's go, let's go. There you go. There you go, there's the green, boom. Okay. Alright, another 4,000 shares entered. Now we're 8,000 shares. Now it's just a matter of waiting. Let's wait it out. Okay? Instead of shooting it out, let's wait it out, and then we'll come out and say what's happened to this stock in the next 5 minutes or whatever, how long it takes. Hopefully it's a profitable day. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Let me just put this down here. But yeah, here we are, guys. We're making progress. We are now in the profit, 1,500, 12,000 shares at $5. My exposure would have been, let me see, what's my exposure? 63,000 with leverage. So, yeah, I mean, this is where you start questioning yourself. Should you take profit? Should you remain? But I'm just gonna do one thing, put a stop loss right about here. Okay, so what I would do is, let's put a stop loss. No, hold on, where are you going? Let's put a stop loss right about here, right at 31, and we'll take a profit of whatever, 900, 1,000 USD. Okay, or is that it'll be 500, so let's keep it 500, 532, okay? Alrighty, guys. So we might have to take this profit and walk away, or wait. Doesn't matter. But it seems like the team has done well as well. Made some profit. Well done, guys. Good job. A lot of profits in the house. And this is what I like to see. I'm back to this. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let me see you work, because I'm back to work as well. Anyways, let's exit. I'm out. 1,500 and then 600 from there in the first trade. That's 2,000 a day. Nice and simple. Well done to everybody. Well done to you guys watching who are not part of this team, but you still took advantage. Now you're probably wondering, how do I join the course or the chat room? Look in the description. How do you join this broker? Well, again, there'll be a link, a referral link in the description. You'll get $200 commission on your trades, and you'll have access to these stocks, which you wouldn't have access to otherwise in many brokers, because they restrict penny stocks. Anyways, I gotta go. Smashy. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me trade. See you again. Peace and love. And just like always, don't forget that smashy. Peace.